Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to get a blue comment on YouTube. Alright, let's begin. There are three main ways to make your comment appear blue on YouTube. The first method is by using a hashtag. Simply type the hashtag symbol followed immediately by your word or phrase without any spaces. For example, typing #example will turn your comment blue when posted. But if you add a space after the hashtag, the second word will not be blue. The second method involves using timestamps. You can type a timestamp like 0 to 12 or 1 to 12 directly into your comment. When you post it, the timestamp will appear as a clickable blue link. Clicking it will take viewers to that exact moment in the video. This is a great way to highlight specific parts of the content. The third way is by posting a link, either to a website or a formatted URL starting with HTTPS. When you include a proper link in your comment, it automatically turns blue and becomes clickable. Keep in mind, to make your comment stand out as a search comment or trending comment, use popular or trending keywords like memes, movies, or viral phrases. These blue comments attract more attention and often get pinned or replied to. So that's basically how you can get a blue comment on YouTube. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.